In this module, you will learn about poultry farming. What is poultry farming? Poultry farming is the practice of raising fowl for egg production and chicken meat. Typically, fowls, an improved poultry breed, are used for producing eggs, and broilers are used for producing meat. Crossbreeding is common in poultry. For example, an Indian breed, a seal, is often crossbred with a foreign breed, Leghorn, to develop new varieties with the desirable traits. What could be the desirable traits? Crossbreeding is done to develop dwarf broiler parents for commercial chick production, which ensures that the birds are ready to be used as meat within a very short period of time. Reduce the size of the egg-laying fowls. Smaller birds consume less food and yield the same number of eggs as larger birds. Increase the number and quality of chicks. Lower the maintenance requirements. And enable the poultry to tolerate high temperatures during summer. What are the management practices in poultry farming? Maintaining temperature at the optimum level for the survival of poultry. Providing hygienic housing conditions. Providing a protein-rich diet with high levels of vitamin A and K. Preventing and controlling pests and diseases that are caused by viruses, bacteria, fungi and parasites. Preventing diseases caused by nutritional deficiencies. Ensuring proper sanitation, spraying disinfectants, and vaccination to prevent the spread of diseases.